Right? Small fire everyone. Small fireplace. So you can see here the jellyfish. The jellyfish they start from here is their eggs. Yeah, jellyfish eggs. And after 3 weeks or 4 weeks they become like this. You can see this. And from here to here they take 4 to 6 months. After that they dissolve in the water. The life is for only 1 year. The reason 95% water on their body, only 5% there. So let's move for everyone. So here we have another one. You can see the upside down jellyfish. When they're upside down, because their head is down and body is up. This. And also they have named the farmer because they make their food from the light.
Okay.
The life is when 3 years. You can see their babies are here. And after 3, they dissolve in the water. Small foil, please. Everyone, so please move forward here. So this is the nursery area. Have a look inside. Here you can see the baby seahorse. Seahorse. As the thing the male give the birth. At the one time the male gives 700 seahorse baby. And those two is the shark eggs. Some sharks they lay eggs. And after 5 months there has to baby here. It's baby sharks. You can say, yeah. The name is bamboo sharks. They can grow 1.5 meters until 16 years their life is spent. And here we have another one, epaulette sharks. The small for everyone. You can see here the stingray, baby stingray. The blue spotted baby stingray. They're blue. Yeah, they're blue. They sting but not a poison. And here we have the real corals. The real one. Whatever you see in the tunnel, that's artificial. These are real. Why you didn't put them downstairs? Because the baby sharks, they eat them. Did you see the Nemo? Nemo? Sea urchin. See? Alright everyone, so let's go for fish feeding. Want to do the fish feeding? Let's go. Alright, let's go for everyone.
सर्व हलवून आले ना जिवंत आहे पूर्ण हां नाही तर आपण इथं बघितलं तर कोणाचं डेड होते पूर्ण घरामध्ये सुद्धा पडलेत ना हे सर्व हलतात बघ हे बघ
हे जास्त आहे